These homemade coconut cream eggs and peanut butter eggs bring back so many childhood memories. These candy eggs are not hard to make and are so much better than store-bought Easter candy. This is a fun project to do with kids, and you can always decorate them too. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. To make the coconut cream eggs, start by adding butter and softened cream cheese to the mixing bowl. Mix these ingredients until combined. Add in the confectioner's sugar 1 cup at a time. Mix the ingredients together each time you add more sugar. After adding in all of the confectioner's sugar, add in the shredded coconut flakes and mix for about 30 seconds. Start shaping them into the desired size and shape you would like these eggs to be and place on a lined cookie sheet. They will be really sticky, so don't worry about getting them perfect. Place the tray into the refrigerator for about 2 hours or until you can shape them without them sticking to your hand. You can now easily shape them into an egg shape. Once you have all the eggs shaped, place them back into the refrigerator to chill again. To make the peanut butter eggs, start by adding confectioner's sugar to the mixing bowl and add peanut butter. Add the melted butter and water and mix until all ingredients are combined. Mix until the consistency is very crumbly. These should be very easy to shape, so begin shaping them into the desired size and shape you would like these eggs to be and place on a lined cookie sheet. To melt the chocolate, use a double boiler, or you can use a small pot with a larger heat-resistant mixing bowl. It is important that the water in the pot does not touch the bottom of the bowl. If it does, there is a possibility for the chocolate to burn. Mix the chocolate until it's completely melted. Add in the shortening and mix until it's melted into the chocolate. The shortening will help smooth the chocolate out and help create an even coat on the eggs. Using a toothpick or a fork, start dipping the eggs into the melted chocolate. Cover up any imperfections with chocolate. You may need to melt the chocolate again or melt more chocolate to get all of the eggs coated. Once you are finished dipping all of the eggs, put them back into the refrigerator to chill and harden. The Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.